Ladies and gentlemen, this year we celebrate the 75th anniversary.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी इस वक्त संयुक्त राष्ट्र को संबोधित कर रहे हैं। आइए आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं।
It is an occasion to recognize the UN's many contributions to human progress. It is also an opportunity to assess the UN's role and relevance in today's world and to shape a better future for it. Excellencies, India was among the 50 founding members of the United Nations immediately after the Second World War. A lot has changed since then. Today, the UN brings together 193 member countries. Along with its membership, the expectations from the organization have also grown. At the same time, multilateralism is facing many challenges today. Excellencies, from the very beginning, India has actively supported the Union's development work and ECOSOC. The first president of ECOSOC was an Indian. India also contributed to shaping the ECOSOC agenda, including the Sustainable Development Goals. Today, through our domestic efforts, we are again playing a salient role in achieving Agenda 2030 and the Sustainable Development Goals. We are also supporting other developing countries in meeting their Sustainable Development Goals. Excellencies, India is home to 1/6 of humanity. We are mindful of our weight and responsibility. We know that if India succeeds in achieving its development objectives, it will go a long way in achievement of global goals. And so we have taken whole of society approach by engaging our states, our local governments, our civil society, communities, and our people. Our motto is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas, meaning together everyone's growth with everyone's trust. This resonates with the core SDG principle of leaving no one behind, be it access to nutrition, health, education, electricity, or housing. We are making great progress through our inclusive programs. Excellencies, last year we celebrated the 150th birth anniversary of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, by achieving full sanitation coverage in our 600,000 villages. In 5 years, we built over 110 million household toilets, which improved our rural sanitation cover from 38% to 100%.